Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Life with Stephanie. It's your girl Stephanie, guys, and in today's video, guys, I already posted this video in me and my sister's channel, the SEF squad, but a bunch of you guys been asking me for this room video on how I created this Louis Vuitton signs and all of that. So I decided to post this video in my personal channel so you guys can see, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and a updated room tour will be uploaded soon. Okay guys, as you can see, my room is already empty. So basically, guys, in this wall, and this wall, I will be doing some stripe design, and in this one it's gonna be a surprise. Okay guys, yeah, don't mind my hands, cause yeah, whatever. So I finished painting this wall and also this wall. Now we have to do this wall, and I already started the stripes on this wall. So yeah. As you can see, guys, here I started to trace the lines. I was also finished with it. Those were like my last 6. the next day. Okay guys, so I basically finished painting everything. This really the wall, this strip wall. I just have to take off the tape and also clean the little edges over here and do the little circles, and I'm gonna be done. Okay guys, so I'm finished with everything. I finished taking off the tape and also cleaning up the edges here. Final results. So now I'm gonna start bringing everything back in my room, putting the LED lights and everything. Okay guys, so I am finished with my room. Everything's inside. And yeah guys, hope you like this video. Subscribe and hit that bell.